survive. I've got all my life to live, and I've got all my love to give, and I'll survive. I will survive. Ah! You threw turkey in me, faggot. Sophie's a faggot. Sophie's a faggot.
Chris is faggot. Chris is a piece of shit. Now let me eat.
Wow.
What?
That was low.
What was low?
That was low.
What's that mean?
What does it mean? It means that was low.
I don't know.
What are you eating? Ew.
I'm eating fat.
A big turkey leg.
What's fat? Ugh.
Okay, bite it.
I can't because there's bones in there. Ew, it sounds like...
Ugh, stop. Taco. Hi.
Watch. Watch this. Come on, she attacks it. Come here. Come here. She's like, first time I give her, she's like, give me it.
Wow.
I just choked on a bone.
Taco. 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 Whoa.